Hello everyone, so this was a longer stream than normal, so I'm going to go ahead and explain in detail why I took certain trades as quickly as possible. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the video. Alright, so this is a daily chart of the SPY, and I was leaning bearish at the open, okay? So that was my bias heading into the open. Now let's go and look at the 1 minute time frame. So now looking at the 1 minute time frame, I was bearish, right? Remember, heading into the day. But at the open, we just completely just got destroyed here. And what ended up happening was I ended up going long right at the bottom pretty perfectly here, and we ended up catching this move to the upside for a quick little 20% play. Cool. All right, then what ended up happening was, as we had another move to the upside, the contracts were around 40%. I sold the rest of the contracts here, and then I entered short. So here we enter, so I think we so we entered short here, and obviously those contracts started to become underwater. All right, but then as the day went on, I continued to look for good shorting opportunities, so we went short perfectly right here, and we traded that to the downside. We that was a good trade. Then what ended up happening towards the middle of the day, after like 10:30, was I went short again. And then this initial place right here, we did not enter short. We just sold our longs. We entered short over here, and then we entered short over here, and this is where the shorts ended up being a bit underwater. Okay, so then as it continued to rise, we entered a bit short as it continued to rise, and we continued averaging in, and then we caught the absolute top of the day as well perfectly. So as we were averaging in, I was continuing to hold, right? And as you can see, not only did we catch this, right, we also caught this top. This was the like play that just completely dropped everything. And so as you can see, right, we ended up making back our losses for all of these shorts that we ended up taking. So the main reason why I was short, and the reason why I thought we were going to fall, was because algorithmically we should not be rising like this. We should not have a just continued blinding bullish move to the upside. It's not sustainable, and it's better to look for short opportunities. Because say for example, you have this 20-minute block period of time here, okay? During this 20-minute block period of time, these are not long opportunities. None of these are long opportunities. All of these are short opportunities. And then especially once you get over here after a major upside move, and then you see a period of consolidation, this is not a long opportunity. This is a short. So you have to lean short. You have to enter into puts. And then if we make another impulsive move to the upside, you have to re-enter shorts. And that is the way that the cookie crumbles. And then this is just the same pattern, just over a longer hour long. You have to continue to enter short as you make newer highs, and that is basically what ended up happening today. The price action was not as perfect, and it did not work as well as it normally does, but I mean, it is what it is. We stuck with the trades, we stuck with our guns, and ended up going 4 for 6 today. So, you know, unfortunately, it wasn't a perfect day, but I stuck to my initial thought process. A little bit of just waiting. That's all it was. We just had to wait. And we eventually had a nice pullback where all of these puts, so all of the puts that we ended up entering here, ended up just becoming profitable or break even. And then this trade, when we went short here, The short ended up going 100%. Sold that down here, and once I sold it, that marked a bottom for the market for that little period of time. And then yeah, it was pretty interesting. It was really, really interesting how all of this stuff played out. So yeah, it was a pretty fun day, and I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. It was much longer than anticipated, but it was a good stream nonetheless. Not many days like this occur. So yeah, you know, it's the main thing, right? The main reason why I continued entering short, to sum it all up, is when you have this many green candles in a row and then a period of consolidation, that's a shorting opportunity. So I'm telling you guys, this is a bona fide 100%. This is a really, really good shorting opportunity. Whether you guys think it's going to, whatever happens in the next 15, 20, 30 minutes is irrelevant. After a huge, huge move like this to the upside and a period of consolidation, good shorting opportunity. You could have a stop loss. I didn't really have many stop losses today. I was playing pretty loose. But, right, after a really high quality trade setup and a shorting opportunity, if you end up making a new high, that is also a much better shorting opportunity. Because if the initial consolidation was a good shorting opportunity, imagine the new high. So that was essentially my thought process heading into today, and just the continued reason why we continued shorting. And then, you know, we didn't break this low at 436.60. Instead, we ended up making a new high above this high from 10:55 a.m. So once that happened, I re-entered short right here, and it worked out really, really well. And thankfully, very, very quickly, this became a very big winner. And it was all the reason why we had this extreme selling. Extreme selling like this occurs when there isn't enough buyers, and there's no reason to be a buyer up here. All of this was a bull trap heading up here. It was a complete bull trap. And just imagine the psychology of what people are thinking as we continue going up, right? Down at 435.50. We went long at the low of day, okay? But everyone that missed this long opportunity down here at 435.30 and missed this entire move to the upside, and then they saw a period of consolidation and another move to the upside, these people were like, oh my God, we missed such a good opportunity to make some money to the long side, blah, blah, blah. Let's trade along the trend. And then as soon as people started to go long and we made a new high, oh my God, things were starting to look so good. It's a perfect opportunity to make it a bear trap. So just keep that in mind. Tomorrow is a new day. And yeah, today was pretty fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed today. And please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Thank you.